Okay, just an update. Time to take them out and put them in the brooder. I believe I've done all the hatching they're gonna do. They're waiting. They all looking through the holes, waiting for me to come get them out. Let's see what we got. Oh, we got one right here that got out. Come on, look at that. Get off the door. I guess you're gonna do what I say. Let's see. Looks like all but 2 eggs in this tray. I mean 26 out of 28 hatched. Go back in. Come on, spread it out in there. Okay, let me try. I gotta work on that. I think that came out of there. Okay, let's see what we got up top. Oh yeah, we got a bunch of little babies up top. How many eggs I see? I'm not finding any. There's one. Okay, there's 2. I'll leave them in here. I believe all but 2 up here. No, there's a couple more. One's still pipped. Uh-oh, he's almost out. I need to get it closed back. Anyway, that's it.